Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Snowflake Certification Training Course. Lecture 1. In this lecture we will learn about Introduction to Snowflake. Introduction. What is Snowflake? Cloud data warehousing. Snowflake architecture. Snowflake components. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to today's lecture on Snowflake. As we dive into the world of cloud data warehousing, I want to take a moment to ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself struggling with large amounts of data, trying to find the right information at the right time? If so, then this presentation is for you. In today's world, data is king. It drives our businesses, informs our decisions, and shapes our future. But with so much data available, it can be overwhelming to manage and analyze effectively. That's where Snowflake comes in. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing platform that allows you to store, analyze, and share your data with ease. With its unique architecture and powerful features, Snowflake is changing the game when it comes to managing big data. What is Snowflake? Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing platform that allows users to store, manage, and analyze large amounts of structured and semi-structured data. It provides a scalable and flexible solution for businesses looking to manage their data more efficiently. One of the key features of Snowflake is its ability to separate storage and compute resources, allowing users to scale each component independently. This means that users can add or remove compute resources as needed without having to worry about the underlying storage infrastructure. Additionally, Snowflake's unique multi-cluster architecture enables it to handle large workloads with ease, making it an ideal choice for organizations with complex data needs. Cloud data warehousing. Cloud data warehousing is a modern approach to storing and managing large amounts of data in the cloud. Unlike traditional on-premise data warehousing, which requires significant hardware investments and maintenance, cloud data warehousing allows for scalable and flexible storage without the need for physical infrastructure. One of the key benefits of cloud data warehousing is its ability to handle large volumes of data with ease. This is due to the fact that cloud-based solutions can easily scale up or down depending on the amount of data being stored. Additionally, cloud data warehousing provides greater accessibility to data, as it can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Snowflake architecture. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing solution that is designed to be fast, flexible, and easy to use. The architecture of Snowflake is based on a unique multi-cluster, shared data model that provides high-performance query processing while also allowing for flexible scaling and resource allocation. At the heart of Snowflake's architecture is its virtual warehouse, which is a collection of compute resources that are used to process queries. Each virtual warehouse can be scaled up or down as needed to accommodate changes in workload, and multiple warehouses can be used in parallel to handle large queries or complex workloads. In addition to virtual warehouses, Snowflake also includes a number of other components, such as databases, schemas, tables, and views, that allow users to organize and manage their data in a flexible and efficient manner. Snowflake components. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing platform that consists of several components. One of the key components is virtual warehouses, which are essentially clusters of compute resources that can be scaled up or down depending on the workload. This allows for optimal performance and cost efficiency, as users only pay for the resources they need at any given time. Another important component of Snowflake is its database architecture. Snowflake uses a unique multi-cluster shared data architecture, which allows for multiple workloads to access the same data without impacting performance. This is achieved through the use of micro-partitions, which enable fast and efficient querying of large datasets. Finally, Snowflake also includes a highly scalable storage layer, which can handle petabytes of data with ease. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing solution with unique features such as automatic scaling and separation of compute and storage. Compared to traditional on-premise data warehousing, Snowflake offers improved flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. We also explored the architecture and components of Snowflake, including virtual warehouses, databases, and storage. By leveraging these components, organizations can easily manage their data in the cloud and gain valuable insights to drive business growth. If you are interested in learning more about Snowflake and how it can benefit your organization, we encourage you to explore our resources and reach out to our team for further information.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.